All right, let's talk about Xpedition intakes. Right now you have 3 intakes on your Xpedition. You have one for the motor, one for the clutch, and one for the alternator. Right now, the motor intake is the only intake that has any sort of pre-filter protection. And one thing we've noticed when we're taking apart cars to work on them, sometimes that pre-filter is actually peeled off in the corner just because of the way that it's set up in there from the factory. It gets dirt and dust in there and it starts to peel off and your motor's not as protected. Yes, you still have an air filter in there, but this keeps the air filter even cleaner, especially on those long rides. So Fab has come up with a solution. They make their own frog skin intake and it's sandwiched between this 3D printed material, and this goes in there and it can't go anywhere. So once this is in, it is solid and it is always pre-filtering your motor intake. So they do have this one, and then why stop there? They also have one for the clutch, which doesn't have a real filter on it right now. So this helps protect the clutch from debris and dirt getting into your clutches. And they also have one for the alternator. And this is nice because if your alternator gets rocks or anything kicked up into it, it will destroy your belt almost instantly. So great way from Fab to protect all the intakes in your Xpedition. This will work on 2-seaters, 4-seaters, ADVs, all the Xpeditions. All 3 of these are great protection. If you need one, click the link below to get set up.